Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. United Launch Alliance is assembling its first Vulcan Centaur rocket at Cape Canaveral in Florida. The powerful Vulcan Centaur rocket will make its maiden flight in the next few months if test campaigns go as planned. Assembly of the rocket took place at January 25th and 26th. Tests of the rocket stage, launch platform and ground systems are expected over the next few weeks before Vulcan rolls out to the launch pad for the final test, refueling and simulated countdown with a brief launch of the main engines. The Vulcan Centaur launch vehicle is expected to replace United Launch Alliance Atlas V and Delta IV rockets, which are certified by US Space Force for commercial, government and national missions. The two-stage Vulcan Centaur rocket has a height of 67 meters and a diameter of 5.4 meters. The first stage is powered by two BE-4 methane and liquid oxygen engines developed by Blue Origin. The booster can be equipped with 6 solid-propellant side boosters, and in such a configuration its payload capacity when launched into low Earth orbit will be 27 tons. The first launch of the Vulcan Centaur rocket is scheduled for the first quarter of this year. During this launch, two demonstration satellites for Amazon's Project Kuiper broadband constellation are to be launched, as well as the Peregrine lunar landing module. The US company Astrobotic, creator of the Peregrine module, aims to become the first private company to land on the Moon in 2023. However, the race could be won by the Japanese company iSpace, which sent lunar module to the Moon in December 2020 and is expected to make a soft landing in April this year. And Intuitive Machines also plans to launch its Nova C landing module this June. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.